if they never listen to a single thing you say?
That's not...
Now, let's get lunch. I'm hobby hungry.
This is your captain speaking. We are unable to land due to what appears to be a political protester on the runway.
Here's your present, Mike. You got your brother a sewing kit? I don't even know how to sew. Here's yours. What the H is this? A pocket knife? What am I gonna do with this? This is so stupid! You know I wanted a new video game, Mike! Yeah, I know. That's why I didn't get it for you. If you don't return this and get me that video game, I'll stab it. I'll stab my hand right now. I'll do it. I don't care. You don't have the guts. You ain't gonna do it. Yeah, keep it up. I'll do it. I triple dog dare you. I'm doing it. We'll pull it out!
Jesse, sew that cut up quick so you don't bleed to death.
I'll give you stitches with my sewing kit.
Wow, what a coincidence. A sewing kit.
Sing with me. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Come on, sing. Jingle all the way. Blood's getting everywhere. Wow.
Have you two boys been good this year?
We sure have. We couldn't have been any better.
True. Nickel did listen to me today. That cost us so much time.
3, we slime them. 1, yeah.
No.
Well, this stinks. Get out.
Pulling will leave in Lily.
If you could have any present in the world, what would it be? Leave a comment below and let us know. Become part of the Jesse Mike tribe and hit that subscribe button. If you want to see our previous video and more videos like this, click the video links in the description below. The winner of the day